Dear friends, today we are going to discuss about cardiovascular system. So what is cardiovascular system? Cardio means heart, vascular means vessel, and system, as we discussed earlier, when the organs are combined together to form system, when cell or tissue are combined together to form organ, when cells are combined together to form tissue. So here also different organs are combined together to form cardiovascular system. Cardio means heart, vascular means vessel. So heart and artery, vein, capillary, these are the vessels when combined together to form cardiovascular system. So it is also called the circulatory system. So the circulatory system or the cardiovascular system or CV is made up of heart, artery or arterioles, vein or venules or capillaries. So it is the combination of heart, artery, vein and capillary. When these are the organ comes together to form cardiovascular system. So heart pumps blood. Similarly, artery or arteriole carry the oxygenated blood from the heart to the cells or tissue. Vein carry deoxygenated blood towards heart. Capillary exchange the nutrient and gases. So these are the one function of heart, artery, vein and capillary. Now comes to the heart. Heart. The heart is a hollow, cone-shaped muscular pump within the thoracic cavity. That means the human heart is present within the thoracic cavity. So this is the structure of heart. Where it is present within the thoracic cavity. Now comes to the size and location. It is also discussed earlier that easy to memorize 3, 6, 9, 12. For your easy recognize or memorize 3, 6, 9 and 12. 3 means 300 gram weight. 6 means 6 centimeter thick. 9 means 9 centimeter width. 12 means 12 centimeter long. So the average human heart is 12 centimeter long, 9 centimeter width, 6 centimeter thick, and average weight is approximately 300 gram weight. So 3, 6, 9 and 12. Then comes to the located or situated. It is situated or located near to the middle of the thoracic cavity. Near to the middle of the thoracic cavity and superior to the diaphragm. The superior to the diaphragm and 2/3 portion left to the media sternum. 2/3 portion lies to the left of the mediasternal line or middle line of the thoracic cavity or sternum. So that means the heart is towards left side. So the left lungs is 10% lesser in size as compared to right lungs. That means it is present in the left side of the most of the portion present in the left side of the thoracic cavity and anteriorly present vertebral column and posteriorly sternum. So this is all about your morphology of human heart. Again, the heart is hollow, cone-shaped muscular pump present within the thoracic cavity. The average weight is 300 gram, weight 6 cm thick, 9 cm width, 12 cm long. Present within the thoracic cavity, 2/3 portion left side of the sternum, anteriorly to the vertebral column and posteriorly to the sternum. This is the morphology of heart. Now, covering of the heart. The membrane that surrounds and protects the heart is called pericardium. That means the outer cover is called pericardium. And this pericardium is divided into two parts or two membrane. One is outer membrane, another one inner membrane. The outer membrane or outer layer is called fibrous pericardium, and the inner membrane is called serous pericardium, which is thinner as compared to outer layer or outer membrane. So, first, the outer covering of the heart is called pericardium. It is divided into two layers, the outer layer and inner layer. Outer layer is called fibrous pericardium. Inner layer is called serous pericardium. So the fibrous pericardium, the outer layer of pericardium is made up of dense irregular connective tissue. That means it is made up of connective tissue. So the function of or the purpose of fibrous pericardium is prevent from the outer layer of fibrous pericardium prevents overstretching and provide protection. That means the main function of the fibrous pericardium is protect the heart, protect the human heart. Then comes to the serous pericardium. That means the thinner layer or the inner layer of the pericardium. The thinner membrane that forms a double layer around the heart. That means again the serous pericardium, it is also made up of double layer, outer layer and inner layer. First, the pericardium is made up of two layers, outer layer, inner layer. Outer layer is fibrous pericardium, inner layer is serous pericardium. Again, serous pericardium is made up of similarly two layers. One is outer layer, another one inner layer. Outer is parietal and inner layer is called visceral. Inner layer is called visceral, also called epicardium. The true layer of heart or the outer layer or wall of heart, that is called epicardium. That is also called visceral layer. That means the inner layer of serous pericardium. The inner layer of serous pericardium. Between the parietal and visceral layer, one fluid is present. One lubricating fluid is present, that is called pericardial fluid. The main purpose of pericardial fluid is in the time of friction. It helps in the time of friction. So between the parietal and visceral layer, the serous pericardium is So between the parietal and visceral layer, one fluid is present that is called pericardial fluid, a thin film of lubricating serous fluid which reduce the friction of heart. This is the main purpose of pericardial fluid. So this is all about your covering of heart. First it is divided into two layers, outer layer and inner layer. Outer layer is called fibrous pericardium. Inner layer is called serous pericardium. The outer layer it is made up of connective tissue which prevents the overstretching and provide or gives protection to the heart. And now comes to the serous pericardium. It is a thin membrane and it is also made up of double layer. One outer layer is called parietal layer and inner layer or is also called visceral or epicardium. Between the two layers, one fluid is present called pericardial fluid. So this is all about your covering of heart. See in the figure. This is the first fibrous pericardium and serous pericardium. Fibrous pericardium and serous pericardium. This is the outer layer and this is the inner layer. This is the inner layer. This is the outer layer and this is the inner layer. Inner layer, the serous pericardium, again it is divided into two layers or two parts, you can say. The parietal pericardium and visceral pericardium. And in between this one fluid is present, that is pericardial fluid. This is pericardial fluid. And this is the visceral pericardium, also called the green layer, blue color, is also called epicardium. This is the true wall of the or layer of the heart. This is the outer layer of the heart or wall of the heart. Epicardium, myocardium and endocardium. This is the wall of the heart consists of three layers, that is epicardium, myocardium and endocardium. The wall of heart consists of three layers: epicardium, also called visceral pericardium, myocardium and endocardium. Epicardium, myocardium and endocardium. It is made up of single layer, flat epithelial cell called mesothelium. This is the single layer of cell. And the function of the epicardium is smooth, slippery, outermost surface of the, it is also called the outermost surface of the heart. Then comes to the myocardium. This is the thickest layer where the receptors are present, mainly in this myocardium layer. You can see in the next year in pharmacology. The thickest layer made up of cardiac muscle fiber, responsible for pumping action of the heart or contraction and relaxation. So this is the muscle layer. This is the myocardium layer or muscle layer which is responsible for the contraction and relaxation of the heart. Then the inner layer of the heart is called endocardium. This is also single layer. The outer layer is also single layer. The inner layer is also single layer or thinner layer. It is made up of single layer of flat epithelial cell. Both the outer layer and inner layer, it is made up of epithelial cell. But myocardium is the middle layer, it is made up of muscle fiber or muscle cell. It provides a smooth lining for the chamber of heart. The main purpose is the smooth, the inner lining wall, it smooth, maintain the smoothness. So it provides a smooth lining for the chamber of the heart. This is all about your wall of heart. Epicardium, myocardium, endocardium. Epicardium and endocardium is the single layer. It is made up of epithelial tissue. Myocardium, it is made up of muscle tissue or muscle fiber. Epicardium, it is the slippery of the outermost wall. Endocardium, also smooth lining, same slippery, the inner lining wall, and middle layer or myocardium is responsible for pumping the action of the heart or contraction and relaxation. This is all about your wall of heart. Let's see in Odia also to easy to understand what we are discuss about cardiovascular system. कार्डियोभास्कुलर सिस्टम गोटे सिस्टम केमिति तैयारी हुए ना जतबेले गोटे ऑर्गन्स गुडाक मिसंती ऑर्गन्स आर कंबाइंड टुगेदर टू फॉर्म ए सिस्टम. कार्डियोभास्कुलर सिस्टम रे को ऑर्गन माने मिसंती मीन दैट मीन्स कार्डियो मीन्स हार्ट, भास्कुलर मीन्स वेसल. हार्ट और वेसल को वेसल ना आर्टरी, वेन एंड capillary. These are the vessels when combined together. Okay, heart सहित मिसंती कौन तैयारी करंती ना कार्डियोभास्कुलर सिस्टम. सो मेन ऑर्गन किए ना हार्ट. डिस्कस करिबा हार्ट उपरे. हार्ट इट इज ए होलो मींस भितरटा फंपा कोन शेप रही प्रिजिम भाया आगटा मीन्स एपेक्स टे गोजिया टाइप रोन शेप एंड प्रेजेंट विद इन द थोरासिक कैविटी. थोरासिक कैविटी भितर जो थोरासिक कैविटी सी द थोरासिक कैविटी ये अच्छे. एंटेरियरली वर्टिब्रल कॉलम अच्छी माने एंटेरियर टू द वर्टिब्रल कॉलम. वर्टिब्रल कॉलम रो मेरुदंड रो सामने रे अछि और स्टर्नम रो पछपटे अछि और डायफ्रागम रो ऊपर अछि. दिस द मॉर्फोलॉजी और साइज शेप लोकेशन कोठी अवस्थित ना 2/3 पर्सन लेफ्ट साइड को अछि स्टर्नम रो और हार्ट रो आगरे स्टर्नम अछि पछपटे वर्टिब्रल कॉलम अछि. डायफ्राम जो मध्य छेदा जो इंटेस्टाइन और लोअर एब्डोमेन एंड थोरासिक कैविटी और ताकू सेपरेट करछि ताकू हमें डायफ्राम बोली कहि थाउ. से डायफ्राम रो ऊपर अवस्थित. आउ हमें जदि देखिबा तारो साइज और वेट 3, 6, 9, 12 300 ग्राम वेट, 6 सेंटीमीटर थिक, 9 सेंटीमीटर विथ और 12 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग. ये होची दिस द मॉर्फोलॉजी और साइज शेप लोकेशन ऑफ द ह्यूमन हार्ट. तापरे आसीबा तारो कवरिंग पार्ट को किए कवर करके रखुची ना एटा होची रेड एरिया कवरिंग इट टोटल और द वॉल ऑफ द हार्ट. Wall of the heart. See the covering part. That is the covering. This is the covering of heart. Here na pericardium. Pericardium कौन है ना फर्स्ट भाग गोटे आउटर लेयर गोटे इनर लेयर. आउटर लेयर टाको आमे कहूची फाइब्रस पेरिकार्डियम. इनर लेयर को आमे कहूछु सेरस पेरिकार्डियम. दुटा लेयर এই সেরস পেরিকার্ডিয়ম তা মানে ভিতর লেয়ারটা আউ থরে ভাগ হয়েছে কোন কোন না গোটে হচ্ছে পেরিয়েটাল ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହଉଛି ଭିସିଆରାଲ ଏଠି ଦେଖ ପେରିଏଟାଲ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହଉଛି ଭିସିଆରାଲ पेरिएटल ଆଉ ଭିସିଆରାଲ ଭିତରେ ଗୋଟେ ଫ୍ଲୁଇଡ ଅଛି ଯିଏ କି ଫ୍ରିକ୍ସନ ରୁ ରକ୍ଷା କରିବ सो ए फ्लुइड टाकू पेरिकार्डियल फ्लुइड मध्य कुहाଯାଏ ଆଉ ए जो visceral layer रहिला ए visceral layer टू आरंभ होला wall of the heart ता माने कोन ना visceral layer is also called epicardium the true layer of the heart or the outer layer of the heart or wall of the heart then wall of the heart it is made up of epicardium myocardium and endocardium the layer or the wall of the heart is epicardium myocardium and endocardium outer layer be made up of epithelial tissue inner layer be made up of epithelial tissue ये भी लाइनिंग टा स्मूथ आउटर लाइन भी स्मूथ हो जाए देन जो मायोकार्डियम लेयर रहिला हम जो फिगर रे देखले द मिडिल लेयर वेरी मच थिक बहुत मोटा है जो रेड रो लेयर हमें देखले इट इज रेस्पोंसिबल फॉर जे की हार्ट को पंप करिवारे सहायता करे कंट्रैक्शन और रिलैक्सेशन रे सहायता करिଥାଏ सो दिस इज all about your introduction or morphology of heart or covering of heart and wall of heart. If you write in a easy way, the heart is made up of cone shape present within the thoracic cavity, hollow muscular organ present within the present 2/3 percent present in the left side of the thoracic cavity or 2/3 percent from the sternum then 3, 6, 9, 12 300 gram weight 6 centimeter thick 9 centimeter width 12 centimeter long anteriorly present sternum posteriorly present vertebral column. Then covering of the heart pericardium. This is divided into fibrous and serous. Serous again divided into parietal and visceral. One fluid is present that is pericardial fluid. Then true layer that is epicardium, myocardium, endocardium. Epicardium and endocardium it is made up of epithelial tissue. Myocardium it is muscle tissue or muscle fiber. Then both the outer and inner layer is smooth and slippery and myocardium the inner layer the middle layer it is responsible for contraction and relaxation. So this is all about your introduction part or covering and wall of the heart. Next class we will discuss about the valve, chamber, conducting system and function of heart. Thank you.